Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a quick get ready with me using the KYLIE Cosmetics 21st birthday Sipping Pretty eyeshadow palette, and I am getting ready to go to the Beyonce concert. So let's get started. To just like as a base, and I'm going to use the color Moscow Mule. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the shade. I think it's pregame. Or yeah, I think it's pregame. I have no idea. I don't know how to read this thing, but this is what the back looks like. And let me just show you the shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade, right? Short. Huh? Mom's gonna say it's short, but okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade. Man, I think it's Close the Tab. It is this shade. Also Into the Crease. Ow! Now my eyes gonna start watering. It's not gonna stop. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade. How about this? Sangria. No? Huh? Also in the crease. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the shade Mimosa. This one right here. Y'all, I got like 30 minutes to get ready. Just to darken my crease. I did a review on, y'all know what, this my video cut out. Made video because I don't have enough storage, I guess. But anyway, I don't know where I left off, but this is the Eat Cake liquid eyeliner, eyeshadow, and do a cut crease. So there we have my cut crease. And then what I'm gonna do is answer this text message really quick. So hold on. Now back to my look. So what I'm gonna do is go in with in the corners with black, because why not be extra? So I'm gonna go in with this color. I think it's blackout. And I'm gonna lightly tap the corner. And now I am done with the eyeshadow look, and I don't think I want to do eyeliner, because what if I mess up? Then I'm gonna have to start over. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes, and I'll be back when I get them. Okay guys, I'm back with my lashes on, and now I am going to move on to priming my face and doing my foundation.
Hurry up. Do you know what time it is?
5:27. I'm gonna use this little small Clinique moisturizer.
Like this?
So,
I didn't tell her to put them on.
no, I'm saying I try to see if she goes.
No, remember I was gonna get up here and Nancy didn't want me to match her.
No, you did get a pair, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Let's go. Just kidding. Found it. I was trying the Huda Beauty foundation, but I left it open and it dried out. So you know what? I'm just gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me for tonight. Let me go with my beauty blender. Okay guys, I'm back with my wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna go in and apply my foundation. Shout out to Taniwa, because she's on FaceTime with my sister. Okay, I shouted you out.
Over there somewhere, because on the
thing is say crazy in love with your seatbelt. Something. Arizona is so like, you know, I actually think applying foundation with a beauty blender is so much better. What the have I been doing all my life? Alright, now I'm gonna go in with powder foundation. Alright, done with that. And now I'm going to highlight under my eyes and my nose with my LA Girl concealer. I'm sorry for my messy bed back there. I'm cleaning. I have stuff everywhere. Now I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose powder. Apply it under my eyes.
This looks bad.
What?
My shoes?
I guess not. And then while that is sitting, I'm going to go in with the dark LA Girl concealer and use that as a bronzer. And done with that, and now I'm going to go in and brush off this powder from my face. And now I'm going to go in with my MAC blush in the color Fever. And now, y'all, every time I do my makeup, I get something in my eye and it's very irritating. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. And highlight. And then I'm going to highlight my nose. And highlight under my brow. I am going to be back when I find my lipstick. Bye. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna go with this L'Oreal lip liner. Now that I have that on my lips, I'm gonna go in with this clear gloss that I made red with all my lip stuff. And apply that. And clean up around. And voila! Here's my finished makeup look. And now I'll be back with my outfit. Okay guys, here I am with my final look. I am wearing this dress with this little shawl on top. And I'm not gonna show my shoes. Maybe I'll post a picture, or I'll put a picture at the end of this. But I really thank you guys for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share this video, because I will, if you guys like it, be doing more makeup looks. And like I said, don't forget to like and share. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I post more. Now I'm off to the Beyonce concert. Bye!